Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I'm going to tell you that window color matters more than you think, and I'm going to help you decide what to choose. Today I'm going to talk more about how the window is going to perform based on the color you pick. So think about this. If you get the color you like and it's beautiful, I'm going to help steer you in the right direction for what type of material you should put that color on and who's going to do a better job of it, because not all windows are made the same. So if you look behind me here, this is an Andersen window. What a cool greenish color. I've seen this used in an older style home. Beautiful, it looks really nice in there. Here's another Andersen window. This is more of a taupe color. It's kind of a brownish, it's a little more neutral, really nice. Here's more of a red. I see windows like this in a lot of craftsman style homes. They're really beautiful for that. Here's sort of a gray. Grays are in, they're really cool. And so as you can see here, like for example, these windows, most of them, are made out of an aluminum exterior that's extruded first. It has a wood interior, so you have two windows essentially. You have a wood window, you have an aluminum cap window that goes over that, and this is going to be powder coated. So if you have a powder coat finish on top of aluminum, it's really good stuff. I mean, this is really going to spend many years being outside and not causing you any problems at all when the sun hits it. Now you can expect some fading, you can expect maybe even a little bit of chalking. That's not uncommon. In fact, most window companies will put in their warranty that they're following a standard for normal degrading of color. Anything's going to degrade with time. A brand new black car is not going to look the same in 10 years as it did the day you took it off the showroom floor. So you can expect that. But what I'm trying to help you understand is, like, if you have a powder coat, you're going to have a really good finish. But if you have a vinyl window that's painted, this is where you need to be careful. So follow me over here. I want to show you what I'm talking about. So on our way to the vinyl windows, I want to stop and show you a composite window that's made by Infinity. This is the Infinity from Marvin. This is kind of a little bit different. It's not the aluminum like you see over there. It's not the vinyl, which I'm going to show you next. This is actually a product called Ultrex, which is fiberglass, and then it has an acrylic finish on it. So acrylic finishes, I think, are the very best. This is actually what I put in my house when I replaced my windows. But when you get a vinyl window, you have to be careful, because vinyl does not hold the paint on the surface as well as powder coat or as an acrylic composite will. If you get the right one, you're going to be fine. If you get the not right one, you could have a lot of problems. So if you notice this is a black window and it's very popular. This is made by a company called Anlin. Now, if you get what we call a wet finish, meaning it was painted on, usually it's sprayed, but if you get a wet finish, most window companies are going to put 10-year warranty on it. This particular company, they're so proud of it, they know they do a good job. They actually put a 12-year warranty, which is the best I've seen on a black window in vinyl. And if you get what they call a capstock, okay, which is actually different. It's actually instead of paint, it's where they're laying a film with color over the vinyl as it's being made together. These two are joined together. They'll give you a 15-year finish on that warranty, which is darn near what you're going to get on this Infinity from Marvin, which is a 20-year warranty, or a 20-year warranty like you get from Andersen. So if you're going to get vinyl, for God's sake, please get the right vinyl, or get a lighter color. Lighter colors like this, even though they come with the same warranty, a lighter color is not going to have the same absorbing properties, where it's going to absorb some of the heat. It's going to actually reflect more of it. If you get a white window, which is going to be a standard finish window, there's a couple of things that are going to be a benefit to you. And we're going over to more vinyl so you can see that. When you buy a white vinyl window, that window is white all the way through, like a bar of soap. If I was to take this window and cut it in half, you would see white all the way through. If I was to take this window, even though it's got a gray exterior, and I was to cut it in half, you would see white behind this. Okay, so this is not an extruded color. It's a color that's laid on top of white. So the most durable, the most energy efficient, the longest lasting, best warranty you're going to get on a window that's made from vinyl is to have an extruded color where the color is all the way through. So you say, Jeff, okay, so my mind is blown. You're talking about a lot of stuff. Let me summarize it easily. First, pick the color you want, because I think you should have the windows you love. Buy the window you love. You're going to live with it for a very long time. In fact, this 20-year warranty business may not even matter to you, because you may be 7, 8, 9, 10 years in this house, and then you go on to the next one. So you want it to last, you want it to be in great condition because you want to sell your house at a fair market price. But first, pick the color you want. Okay, then get with a consultant, get with someone who's a trusted advisor and say, if I want this dark colored window, I need to understand what that's going to do for the impact of the quality and the durability of the window. And if you're going to buy it in a powder coat finish or you buy it in an acrylic finish, like I showed you the Anderson, the Pella, the Marvin, the Infinity, you're probably not going to have any concerns. But if you come to vinyl, scratch your head, take a beat, think about it, check with a pro. Now, speaking of pros, I'm a pro. That's why I have this YouTube channel, because I want to help you learn about windows. I feel like the more you know, the better choices you're going to make. The better choices you're going to make, the happier you're going to be with your window product. And if you live in the Texas market, I can help you here at the Window Experts. If you don't live in Texas, I know a lot of great window company guys and girls all over the country. In fact, I made a list because people ask me all the time, Jeff, do you know a great window company in New Jersey? Do you know a good one in Spokane? So I want to help you find a great window company. I created a website called jeffslist.com. Go there and see if I know somebody in the area. I probably do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Maybe you can help them too. Take care.